Well, hello, Tim Kimrow.
Hami ski, hami fura.
Mm. Oh, well, Misha Kuchek. I
How are
beckon.
you?
Uh,
Yeah,
uh,
Jeff.
I'm a floor. Ans na Beaunton. Agus
Mhm.
the website floor and show.
But no snack.
Genio Schneckhound.
Okay.
Ast. Genele Hofvoer.
Mhm.
There's some Schneck. It's not so cold for snow. So, anyways, well, he sheen. We'll see. Anyway, for you.
Because Northern California got a lot of snow.
Oh yeah, and I hear massive storms. Stood them in Mora. Huge storms, great storms. Yeah. So anyway, but yeah, Coroi Dona on show. Okay. Ushkakum is an Lar Asishla. Okay, I have water in my lowest floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a leak somewhere.
The cottage has only one day because the rain came and this wind came and water came in, but we don't know where it's coming in,
Oh,
and
geez.
only certain times.
Ah, yeah, yeah. You go. Yeah. I have a student in another class who told me that he went and volunteered at the house.
Oh, Isaac,
Yeah, Isaac. Yeah.
Isaac and his son. He's tall.
Oh, is he?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Really.
Ah,
I met. Oh yeah, I met him.
yeah. 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 Well, he's just starting the year one.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Yeah. He's a good student. Yeah. Though he did like some people do, uh, he did some Duolingo.
I, I'm still on Duolingo,
All right.
but,
Yeah.
but they keep on different pronunciation. So I, I, I'm learning the words, my vocabulary, but it's just different people. And now it's more AI, I think. So it's not, it doesn't care about what it sounds like.
Uh, uh, I thought they had native Gaelic speakers doing all
Like,
that.
some of it was, but some of it's not. And before they had somebody was pretending to be a little kid. It was really strange. I saw Pat this afternoon. She said she was coming, but we had a Zoom meeting and we had problems getting in. I was in there 3 times and I was echoing.
Oh, boy. Yeah. Yeah. So now, aside from the sound, the voice, do you find Duolingo is still helpful for you?
It, it is, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Does it present any problems as far as grammar goes or word
I
usage?
went as far, so I'm just reviewing because they don't have anything more. I ended it. I
Oh,
mean,
oh, okay. Oh, really? It only goes so
it doesn't
far.
have no. Yeah, but a lot of stuff you go over, it helps.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I imagine it would be good for some vocabulary.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And you compete with other people.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But what I hear is sometimes it gets kind of persnickety as to vocabulary
Oh yeah, if
because
you're spelling something, sometimes you can be way off in spelling, and you miss one letter, it's not right.
right. And then sometimes if there's two words that mean the same thing in English, it'll
Mhm.
mark you wrong if you use the one that they don't like.
And sometimes you can't find difference between ha and ha, like no and yes.
Oh,
CHA.
okay.
So you don't know, and then if they don't put on Neil, then you can get it. But if you don't, So and sometimes they give it, you have it wrong, give it to you. And means a lot. Yes and no means a lot different.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I haven't heard from Heather for a while, so I'm not know.
Yeah. Well, I didn't hear anything over the break, but yeah. So, and then and then there's Lisa.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And D.
Oh, and D. That's right.
She's strange. Sometimes we never see her or hear her.
You're right. Yeah.
Like, are you there?
Now you got the lesson I sent out, right?
Oh, yeah.
I remember.
You had a long story at the end, so I didn't write down that. I didn't copy all the story.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, I just wanted to give us some practice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But well, I don't know. Can you listen? It's wel goed, ding. For the wel goed, ding. Yeah. So anyway. So is House of Scotland planning a Burns night?
No, I think San Diego Highland Games is having one.
Who?
But theirs is North County, and there's some other groups having it somewhere else. The San Diego Highland Games, sometimes it's good, but it's hard to get to. And one time their haggis tasted like hamburger helper. It tasted better than haggis, but hey, but I was not supposed to do that.
Yeah. Now is the so what's going on with the Highland Games now in San Diego?
We really don't know, and they have to find out before because it's coming up.
Yeah, right. I mean, just in a few months, you have to start getting ready.
They said they were going to go to the Chula Vista Olympic thing, but they said there was enough parking. There's plenty of parking. I think maybe it's too expensive there. I don't know. So they have waterfront parks or something on, but they have to, because I think it's June and you got to advertise.
Yeah. Have to start planning. Yeah.
And one time they were thinking to go to Riverside County. No, that's not San Diego.
Yeah. I mean, I mean that's what I mean. Might as well go to Costa Mesa. I mean, look up in that direction. Yeah. Because that's on the way other side of the desert, right? I mean, you have to go through Temecula and
all
those places. Yeah, I mean, that's yeah.
Because they had a meeting, but I wasn't here when they had their meeting, so I don't know.
Oh boy, yes, I don't know. Oh, here's D. Okay. Hello, D.
Hello.
Okay. Gimrau.
Abigima.
Oh, Belugima. Tolacha. Any Tolacha. Misha August Tim of Faith. There's some Dini Ayla. Tim and I were waiting for others.
Okay. Pat says she's having problems getting in.
Oh, really? Okay.
Because we had problems, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And the AI wants to help us. I don't want the AI to help us.
Okay. So what about Keshta Dunya? Does anybody have any questions? Okay, we're at. Okay. Well, why don't we wait a couple more minutes? So, all right, so Jan the Rain Chief in the Sgeulachd. What did you do? Plural, you guys do over the holidays.
I visited some family up north.
I'm sorry?
I visited some family up north.
Oh, family? Okay, where up north?
So my cousins are in Angels Camp.
And that's in Northern California, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then it's right next to like Murphy's, so that's where my uncle's at.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And Roshan Sporsel, was that fun?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, yeah. How clever, clever, clever. Yeah, yeah. I guess
I hosted in the House of Scotland and they had a big stuff.
you were
That got through.
you were working at the House of Scotland, huh? Okay.
We have a problem with parking because the city wants us to pay.
Right, right. Now, how much does the parking cost these days?
It could be $15 a day.
Oh boy.
And then I was trying to get a pass and it didn't go through. But I have, because I belong to the zoo, I can park at the zoo for free, but I have to walk over. But this is what I'm going to have to do until I get something.
Oh boy. Yeah,
Is it 15 no matter how long you're parking there?
You have 3 hours free parking, but for 3 hours you have to park, and you're parking across the street. So they have a tram, but if you take it takes like a half hour each way, so you have 2 hours, and they make us be open for like 5 hours. So unless they want to change the hours for us, yeah.
Oh boy.
And like I said, the machine, their portal didn't work, and I tried calling the number, I had to get 3 times, and then they weren't nice.
Oh,
They just put me that thing. Well, rank me from 0 to 9. Well, of course, 0, but I don't think it's supposed to be taped, so I don't know.
Oh boy. I guess Pat, hello.
Oh, hello. Can you hear
Camera
me
how?
okay?
Camera how?
Oh, Hami train. Is that busy?
Train?
Train, point train with parking. And tomorrow I will go and to the Balboa Park.
I'm going to be there too.
Oh, good. Did you see? We can't speak unless we fill out a form.
Oh, yeah, and I can give you time because you only get like 2 minutes.
Right. Well, good. You know, I hate
I
public
don't.
speaking. I'll say it in less than 60 seconds if I have my way.
Well, what is this
This is asking, it's a governing board of community people that are involved with the city, the Park and Recreation Department, and the park. And so it would be the zoo and all of their other entities, such as Betty's Royal Country Dancers, have been, um, they've been for years using one of the ballrooms that is in back. We won't say by the dumpsters, but it's down by the dumpsters. It's where they have a over by the Aerospace Museum. We'll say that anyway. There's a group of old uh, business buildings and auditoriums and dance floors. So they've been using that at night, free of parking forever. But because they aren't part of one of the international cottages, well, the city did not, has not so far recognized any kind of need that they have, such as the same exists with our band. And so they've been there for 61 years and on Monday nights, practicing and teaching new members from 61 years ago. There's a lot of people they have taught bagpipes and drums. So luckily, they have been hosting, um, but so my role in this of asking the city to make an exception for a pass that would be just for Monday night from 6 to 9.
Right, yeah, yeah.
Or change the time of the ending of the paid period from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Now, we've gotten
Now-
so far down the road that
Yeah.
contracts have been made.
Oh, okay.
But
Now,
the other part,
can you fold those organizations into the House of Scotland and just claim their activities of the House of Scotland?
no, there's too much knowledge about what they really are in the community. So the only ones that we have always claimed was the band. And on
Right.
their band drum, it says House of Scotland,
Uh-huh.
pipe and drum band, Balboa Park.
Uh,
But we can't for, I'm hoping that the country dancers have contacted Shanti, who is going to speak tomorrow.
Because there's an Irish group, an Irish dancing group that's not connected to them. They're leaving the park. They said they could find another space for how much they had the park pay, and that's bad. You want to have groups in the park. You want people there. You don't want to have nobody there.
So there's an international dance group that he's going to speak to, which would probably include the Royal Country Dancers. They may have someone there tomorrow. I don't know. I haven't heard from them at all. And so it's last weekend. Was it last weekend? I'm losing time. This has been going on for so long, and every day a new thing comes up. But it was maybe the weekend after Christmas. We had, for those 2 days, we had over 1,800 people come through the house.
1,800.
1,800 people come through the House of
Last
Scotland
week I had 600 people
on one day. So there's a lot of activity coming through, still coming through. Now let's see if it stops. If it stops, then we have suffered a loss.
Yeah,
And then
yeah. Well, yeah,
we have
well, I can
something
see
to
that.
stand on legally.
Yeah, and um, yeah, and that $15 for parking seems to be incredibly high.
Oh, the Oregon Pavilion, the closest parking to us, can be up to $50.
Oh, geez.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So it's a big deal.
So, Pat, I saw that you were at talk to KUSI.
I did.
I saw that, and
thanks,
I saw the band too. But they only were like less than a minute. But I saw that. But I saw your name.
Oh, you saw my name. Did you see me wearing the blue House of Scotland?
No, all they did was the
sweatshirt.
guys.
Oh, well, I didn't have much to say.
Okay.
Anyway, it's a big, trauma for our little cottage and our little cultural group. We're
all because we didn't
wish us luck.
Yeah, all because we didn't pay. We didn't vote for a sales tax increase in San Diego.
It's retaliation.
Yeah, I think Heather's right. It's a long coming. There's probably 20 years ago, there was a thing where a bunch of people from the Old Globe Theater, Shakespeare's Theater, had said, hey, we'll make a private one. We've got money. We'll make that Oregon Pavilion parking into a four-level structure, and the park can make money on it. Well, this committee, the Balboa Park Committee, has a lot of say on keeping things as a cultural, and it should be. And so it was denied, and that went by the wayside. So I think they were unhappy about that. The people didn't want it. And now the people didn't want I think it really is revenge on their part. Anyway, but you can't sue because of that. I don't think we'd have anyone to. Yeah, the mayor is termed out and he's been criticized quite a bit. He won't be running again. He can't. He could run for something else, I guess. But so he's not going to be there. If we get anyone from the city there, I will be surprised.
They have their aides or somebody. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Anyway, so hey, but the good thing is the Gaelic class is budgeted for that 2026. We got the money. We have saved money right and left.
All right.
And,
Well, good.
so we can put it to what's meaningful.
Yeah.
What's truly meaningful.
Okay. And we don't charge any parking.
That's
I
right.
know.
That's right.
I park in front of my house.
Yeah. No charge for parking. Parking is free.
Yeah. Thank goodness for Zoom.
Yeah.
You know, who would have ever thought when Zoom came out that it would be so much better than Skype?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, though, though the yearly charge for Zoom is a little bit, but yeah, but anyway, but but the little help I get from the House of Scotland takes care of that, so that's good. So anyway,
Thank you.
Alrighty. Okay.
Thank you.
So all right, so let's get started. Okay, you go to share. All right, so you can see my screen. All right, okay. All right, Gail talk. Okay, so the shower.
The cute one.
There's Nessie.
And
What?
3 hairy coos. And Nessie and 3 hairy coos.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's Nessie. Okay. So Hogmanay.
Yeah.
Hogmanay. Oh, and equals. Okay. Hook me on A. I think I told you, didn't I, that some people think that the derivation of Hogmanay is the Gaelic phrase "hoch me on A." What did I tell you that?
On A?
Och me on A. Yeah. I raised a shout. Yeah. So nobody knows for certain where the word comes from, but that's the explanation that some people give. Hoch me on A. Okay, I raised the shout. So anyway, which sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, all right, so here we go. All right. So Fàilte. Okay, so here's so I've got a couple little things for us. Okay. So, okay, did you hear that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay. This is just a pronunciation. Rún na bliana údra.
Rún na bliana úire. Rún na bliana úire. Rún na bliana úire.
Okay, so that's a New Year's resolution. Rún means something like a wish or desire. Okay, so anyway, so Rún na bliana údra. So I hope everybody has their Rún na bliana údra. Okay, in line. Okay, and they've resolved to learn more Gaelic. Okay, and then this is kind of fun. A short inventory of the contributions of Scotland to world culture. Okay, so it starts off with insulting Scotland, but then it goes to what Scotland has contributed.
Their chief exports being oil, whiskey, tartan, and tramps.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
There's another one, the toaster.
Oh, a toaster. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah. So, and there's a uh, uh, see, so let's see. Oh, there's a book, something like how the Scots, um,
Mhm.
I read it a long time ago. Something like how the Scots invented the modern world.
Mhm. I
Okay.
think that fellow wrote how the at
Oh
one
yeah,
how the Irish saved
civilization.
civilization.
Right.
How there was a whole series of them.
Right, yeah. Well, by different people, and the Irish dealt with like the medieval ages. This is
The monks saved, yeah,
yeah, this
writing and
is
stuff.
yeah. How the Scots invented the modern world deals with like the 1800s.
Ah,
Okay, so yeah, yes, so it's very inventive about
I
very.
think we have that book in the cottage.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Was Yeah, I think it's in the cottage there.
Yeah, okay, yeah. But anyway, but that's a fun read. So if you ever get a chance, the Scots invented the modern world. Okay, all right. So anyway, so Shanach on the Shechina,
Lessons of the week.
okay. Old word proverb of the week. Chenachuran Vic is Gul Nambalak. Dani Nachmar. Okay. Chenachuran Vic
Sequel.
Gul Nambalak.
No, not Balak.
Nachmar. Okay.
Nigmar.
Uh-huh. A small peat fire and the love of boys, two things that don't last. Okay. All right. So, yeah, Chenachuran, fire of Curan, of a small piece of peat. Vic, okay, the genitive Beck, okay. Gul Nambalik, the love of boys, okay. Dani Nachmar, okay. So, anyway, so a caution about the enthusiasms of youth. Okay, so anyway, and right here, mar. Okay, that's the word that we know from uh uh hick kriech uh until uh mari
The end of the world?
yeah, come the end of the world, kill Sgeulachd. Okay, so come the end of the world, uh music and love will last, will endure. Mari. Okay, will endure. Okay, yeah, so that's the same mar. That's right there. Mar means to endure or to live, something like that. And sometimes, if you're referring to a person who has passed away, like you say, John Doe Nachmaren. Okay, Nachmaren. Who, yeah, something like the late. Okay, the late. Okay, all right. Anyway, all right. So anyway, so Chenachuran Vic is Gul Nabalach, Dani Nachmar. So there you go. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's turn to. I thought I'd take us through not a huge issue or a huge moment in Gaelic grammar na Seachdaine, but it's important. Did somebody say something? Did somebody have a question?
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Gaelic has two ways of saying when. Nuair is cuin. Okay? Two ways of saying when. And there's a couple let's go, a couple pairs like this. And so we'll go through these, not tonight, but we'll go through this pair. So cuin is used to ask a question, like cunahan train a chian. When is the train coming? Cunahan train a chian. Or cunaha junior. When is dinner? Or cunahan gama atoshik. When does the game begin? Okay, so kun is used exclusively as a question word. Okay, so now we should be familiar with the word for when for the other word for when from the song Nuravami Og. Okay. So for instance, Nuravami Og, Urikmiana, California. When I was young, I lived in California. Chluchmi Ball Kosha, Nuravamian in school. I played football when I was in school. Okay. Nurvaye to Shane. Okay, so this is from a proverb that we've seen before. Nurvaye to Shane, Chur Iet an Yon ounce Nakruven. When the women sang, they put or brought the birds into the trees. Nurvaye to Shane. Okay. All right, so two different ways to use when, or two different whens in Gaelic. And a little note, sometimes in older writings, you might see newer written on ur. So there you can see the derivation, the time or the hour. Okay, and newer comes from the phrase on ur, which means the time. The an ur of amiog, the time that I was young, for instance. Okay. And note that both of these require the particle. Cunahan train a chian. When is the train coming? Nur avami og. Nur Okay, all right. So they both require the particle And note that both of these take the verb in the first door form. That is the statement form. Ha, va. Let's see. Let's see. And I'll give you one more. Nur vis a animach, when it will be late, be me ski, or I will be tired. Okay, nur vis. So from our lessons on the doors, okay, we should recognize vis as being from the first door. Okay, all right, so echai would be the statement form of the past tense. Echai yon school ambatulat e. When you went to school, did you like it? Okay. All right. Okay. Now, right here, it's possible to have a newer sentence that is a question. But remember that the newer phrase does not form the question. It's like a modifier. So nuravauog, and here's the question: Anrou gorach. When you were young, were you foolish? Nurachayu yad skol. When you went to school, ambotolati. Did you like it? Okay. Okay. Nudavise anamak. I'll make this into a question. Ambi uski. Okay, I'll be uski. Okay. When it will be late, will you be tired? Okay. Okay. So here's the question form. Okay. Right here. So the newer can be part of a question, but it's not the question, if you see what I'm saying. It's a modifier, right? Okay. Any questions about that? Yeah. With the general idea. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So we can take a look at a newer song. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Be a chien mun kush devene nura hiki. Be a chien mun kush devene nura hiki. Be a chien mun kush devene. Be a chien mun kush devene. Be a chien mun kush devene nura hiki. Okay, so when she comes. So not a question, right? So now a coon song. This is translated from When Will I Be Loved by Linda Ronstadt. Okay. Hami Edmo Veolach, I've been cheated. Kurdrok Live Shikach, been mistreated. Kunavis Oram Gul. When will I be loved? So Kunavis Oram Gul. Okay. When will I be loved? When will love be on me? Okay. Hami El Melekoshias, I've been put down. San Oram of Gaelic. Okay. I've been pushed around. And that's an interesting word. It literally means a crowbar was on me. A crowbar was put on me. Okay. Pushed around or abused. Kunavis Gul Oramsa. When will I be loved? Okay. Kunavis Oram Gul Oramsa. Okay. When will I be loved? Okay. So anyway. Kunavis Oram Gul. Okay. Kunavis Oram Gul. When will I be loved? Versus she'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Be a chin mankushtavena nura heki. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So very simple idea. Okay, but but we have to, be clear about it. So I have some exercises. Okay. So and there's a bunch of these. I'm not going to do all of them right now, but they're enough to keep you busy for the next week and keep you out of trouble. All right. So you're to hick me gaki, be me a gold tea. Okay. What do you suppose this means?
When I came home, I drink tea.
That's right. Very good. Okay. You're to vami og, vami a furach savala.
When I was young, I lived in the town.
Very good. Yeah. Okay. You're to vis on tushka aun, being a einigen lan.
When I was young, Ushka Aun was not what?
When there was rain.
When it was raining?
Or when it will rain, when it does rain. Yeah.
The rivers are full.
Yeah, exactly right. The rivers are full. Yeah.
We had it here.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Nura Hanaki Estech, Yerika Huladunya.
When she went inside?
Yes. Yerika Huladunya.
Everyone stood up.
Yeah, everyone got up. Everyone rose.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nura Galavigus too. Dunandoris Masadahole.
When you leave, close the door, please.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, when you leave, okay, the Galavigus too. And just to point out the difference between English and Gaelic. In English, we would use the present tense, even though we're talking about the future. Literally, it's when you will leave, or But in English, for some reason, we use the present tense to signify future action in this phrasing. But anyway, all right. So, Nuragalabagus 2, when you leave, Dunan Doris, close the door, Masa de Holy. Very good. Okay, and the rest. Okay, so so translate, okay. Kuna hekugaki.
When are you coming home?
Yeah, when are you coming home? Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay. Kuna hoshika sa klasa.
Is that verb for the for
When does
taking?
this class start?
Yeah, when does the class start? When will the class start? Okay. Kuna chreachanis shinan oper.
We at work.
When do we go to work? I don't know.
When we finish the work?
Yeah, when do we finish the work?
Oh.
Kriach. Okay, kriach. Okay, very good. Kuna ha'u an an innernish muyirach. Kuna va'u an an innernish muyirach.
When were you last in Interniche?
Yeah, very good. Yeah, when were you last in?
A famous line from Outlander.
Yeah.
Claire, when were you last in Inverness?
Okay, Dleva. Okay, and here a bunch of exercises, and so we won't do them all right now, but we'll do a couple of them. Okay, so just fill in the blank. Kun or Nuair?
Kun.
Cuin.
Okay.
This is a question.
It's a question. Very good. Okay. So number 2, kun or Nuair?
Nua.
Nuair.
Nudavis mi ski, be me a do yan yapi try. Yeah. Okay. When I'm tired, I go to bed early. Okay. Kun or Nuair?
Daniel Osagam, they don't know. I'd say Nuair.
Nuair. Yeah, very good. Okay. Yeah. Chanyelisakam Nurarukasi, when she will arrive. Okay. Kun or Nuair?
Tosha song. Tosha, they dancing.
Cuin.
Nuair. Yeah.
Nuair.
Oh,
It's
Nuair.
a statement. It's not a question.
I meant to say Nuair.
I know.
Another question. Did a Hoshikan kill Hoshikshina down? So okay, so when the when the music began, we began dancing. Okay. Good. Okay. Inchgol kun or Nuair? Nuair of is Angiakan. Yeah. Tell me when the test is, or when the test will be. Angiakan. Okay. New to this. Okay. Dleva. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, so that's yeah. So so on your own, so you have a bunch of these things to do on your own, and that'll keep you busy, like I say. Okay. Leon and Bayern. Okay. Fill the gap. Fill the blank space. Fill in the gap. Okay. Leva. And then there's some answers that you can check. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's go to Katsibel and the J chicken. Okay. If I can get the where are we? Right here. All right, there we go. Okay. All right. So you can see this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Somebody read this.
Catchavel na Jiakin?
J chicken. Yeah, J chicken. Yeah.
J chicken.
I can.
Where are our toys?
Our toy.
Yeah.
Where are our
toys? Our toys. Yeah.
Someone stole them.
Yeah. Okay.
Mari did.
All right.
Mari.
She always does.
How do you know it's not Morak?
Okay. All right. Somebody want to read this?
Balmaria Shamus Aklutri Haley.
Kayla.
Hela.
Uh-huh. Translate.
Mary and James were playing together.
Very good. Very good. All right.
He is a kid, but she doesn't have one. Poor thing.
What? Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Somebody want to read this?
Annicht amam yestek first the on the dèideagan active
Amich?
Fuganacha. Uh-huh.
Upper Berg Curve
Uh-huh. Curf iet
Iet falf anish
Uh-huh. Nou, is waar clown gra.
Va down
Yeah, very good. Okay, and this should be say first a clown. Okay, Kershmaha. You see, what I did was I adapted this to the first year students, and we're just working on verbal nouns there. Anyway, so okay, somebody want to translate that?
The mom came in
Mommy came in, yeah.
and said that the toys had to be put in their place or something, or
Put away. Yeah. Akav figanacha, all over the place. Figanacha, okay. Apa burach. What a mess. So remember, aper, which literally means to say, okay, is sometimes used as an exclamation, aper. So if you do well, I might say aper ma, something like that. Somewhat similar. It's not so popular nowadays, but in English, people used to say say, say that's great or something like that. Okay, so aper burach. Burach is a great word, means a mess. Aper burach. Okay. As a matter of fact, I was thinking that when you're explaining to me the mess going on with Burach and Kudafiet Erfalef. So there we have the Kudaf, the kur, put, and it's
put them away now.
Yeah, put it. It's in the plural imperative, the plural command. Yeah, follow. Put them away now. And Hirsch clown. Kishmaha. Yeah. Okay. All right. Live. Okay.
I've seen worse living rooms.
That's very, very neat.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Somebody want to read this?
Vahum humne ak Mari. Juluin va mi kluich ounce and shomer suye.
Very good.
Lesh and Jolek Ruig.
Ruig. Gleva. Okay, so and translate.
I don't know what
Mary was covering something, or Mary was, I don't know, Mary was doing something.
Something
memory.
On Mary.
Yeah.
Oh, remembered. Okay.
Memory at Mary. Yes, memory. Yeah, so that's one of the ways that
Mary remembers?
Yeah, remembered. Okay.
Remembered, past tense.
Well,
and that's the day of the week. Is it Monday?
Very good. Okay.
I was playing in the living room with my gingerhead doll.
Yes, my red-headed doll on Dolek Ruig.
Duolingo says it's ginger.
It's on Shomer.
What's Shomer Sula? Bedroom?
No, it's a living room.
Oh,
Yeah. What in English used to be called the sitting room,
living room.
And
Oh,
the
okay.
parlor, yeah.
but which in America we call the living room. Okay. Leis dulach ruag. And here this is interesting. She's referring to the doll as if it's a person.
Oh.
The
Is
redhead.
this a person shape?
Yeah, the redheaded doll. Okay, because that's how you refer to a redheaded person. Okay, all right, Cleva.
Raggedy Ann.
Yeah, Raggedy Ann. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So right here, what do we got? Somebody?
Let's try it. Cur
Okay.
Lord.
Keshki Lord.
Ba an Dolig.
Uh-huh.
Eran Sofa.
And Tofa, very good.
Sofa.
Uh-huh.
Hog Mari I Hur I Ans and Boxa.
Yeach.
J and E.
E. Yeah, very good. Okay.
Mm,
What do you got?
That's enough or something, or?
Sometimes it means enough, but maybe she's saying okay.
Keshkilor, yeah. It means great. This phrase Keshkilor means good, great, something like that. Okay.
So better than okay.
Yeah. Keshkilor, yeah.
The
Oh,
redheaded doll was on the
the
sofa.
redhead doll was on the sofa.
Very good. Hokmari E.
She was going to put it, Mary's going to put it in the toy box.
Yeah,
Put
put
a
it in
toy
the
box.
toy box. Curry ounce of oxa yh can E. Okay.
okay.
And then note this feature too. And Gaelic, you can sometimes do this, and sometimes it's advised. Chur E ounce of oxa yh can E. So rather than chur E, okay, rather than have the two pronouns next to each other, if it's possible, sometimes they're split.
Mm,
She put into the box her.
her.
Yeah. All right. Then leave it. Aga on Teddy Bond. All right.
Oh, Teddy Bon. Okay.
Vakumi ax Seamus Gunrov Yavor Natlea on the Shaman Lepa listen Teddy Ban.
Uh-huh.
Seamus remembers the placing something in the
A rare last night.
last night. That he put something in his room with the teddy bear.
Nalaya. Yeah, Nalaya.
Lay it down or something. Okay.
Yeah, lying down. Very good. Yeah, by Nalaya. He was in his lying. He was in his lying down. Out on Shomer Yapa in the bedroom. Lush on Teddy Ban with the white teddy.
With a white teddy.
Yeah.
To differentiate between the
Oh,
red
there he is.
Yeah.
the white teddy.
He's a polar bear.
Yeah, the polar bear. Yeah, like Mahan Ban. That's what you call a polar bear. A Mahan Ban. Okay, a white bear, not a polar bear, literally, but a white bear. That'd be a polar bear. So anyway, so somebody want to read this?
For Seamus, Teddy Ban, Eralepe,
Uh-huh.
Kuri Anso Boxa, Jake
Yay, chicken.
Hedman,
Yay, chicken.
A,
Yeah, very good. Okay. All right, so what do you got?
Seamus, he either got or he found the white teddy bear in bed,
Yeah.
and he in the
Put it
put it
into
in the toy box.
into the toy box. Yeah,
Yeah.
very good. Okay. And then right here, hooer can have a number of different meanings to get, but also to find. All right. Okay. A tree on your jelaf uanya. Okay. Somebody?
Ba. Cuine ac Mary.
Uh-huh.
Dimarch va mi lugig
A yevig.
yevig ounds kitchen.
Ounce of kitchen. Very good. Okay.
And I just had that word last time I
Remembered.
did. Okay. Yeah. Mary remembered Tuesday.
She was
reading in the kitchen.
Oh, she was reading in the kitchen. She's
kitchen.
looking for her book.
Right. The picture book. Your Jelaf. Òran, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Green picture book. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And you can cheat by looking at the pictures. I tried to give you a clue in the pictures. Okay. So anyway, somebody want to read this?
Sure, Maha Banan Leber Delv Una Era Vort Hui and Scalp Leperchin E.
A.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So what do you get from that?
Here it is.
Yeah. Well, Kershmaha, right then.
Right then.
Yeah. Okay.
The green picture book was on the table.
Curi air on Sgelachd Ilorica.
Yelep.
Because that's shelf. The
bookshelf.
Case or bookshelf.
Very good. A shelf. Sgelachd Ilorica. Yeah, the bookshelf. Very good. Okay. Okay here. On trainer Jachika do.
Oh, okay.
Somebody?
Huvnik?
Yes.
Did I say that right?
Hunyek. Yes, that's good.
Hunyek Shamus. Chikitan Vamia Kluich. Ounson Shamor Kluich. Lesh on trainer Jachika do.
So this is the word that gets you so much trouble.
He remembers again.
That is related to the other one, huh?
Yeah. This is the verb. Yeah, this is the verb form.
Remembering.
Not memory on him or at him, but just to remember. So anyway, yeah, go on.
So Seamus remembered Wednesday, right?
Yes, very good.
I was playing in the playroom with the black
toy train.
Very good. Very good. I'm trying a Jachika do. Very good. Okay. And
en trainer Jachika do en jak ballig en lar ans in Shammer Pluke.
Very good.
Book Seamus again Voxa Jachika.
Very good. Okay. And what do you make from that?
The black train was always back again.
Where he left, where the boy left it.
Okay.
To leave something.
It was on the it's Lars floor. On the floor of the playroom.
Very good. Okay.
Seamus put it in the box, the toy box.
Yeah, toy box. Very good. Okay. All right. The Càit. Ankar Jachik Jedek.
Ranik. Egumari. Anje. Bami. Pudik. Achar a Forcha. something to, oh, it came to Mary.
Very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, it came. Yeah, literally, it came to or it arrived to. But well, another way of saying that somebody remembers something. Yeah, so it came to Mary. Very good.
That yesterday she
Puter, to push.
pushed the car on the
porch.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
oh yeah, the picture.
Ports. Ports.
Right, a picture of the porch. Okay, yes. Let me put a car at a porch. Okay, right, yeah. And right here, just a little note, the verbal noun, the object of the verbal noun goes into the genitive, so that's why it's a car. That's why it's like that. So it's pushing at the pushing of the car. Okay. Here.
Bankart Jijik Jarek Amu Ritav Doris Foot Marishuna Boksa Jajikin.
Okay. Mari Mari A. Okay, yeah. Okay. Foot Mari A Hun of oxygen chicken. Okay. Yeah. So what do you have there?
The red toy car was outside next to the door or near the door?
Yeah, very good. Next to the door, near the door. Yeah. And foot.
And she put it in the toy box or something.
Yeah. Or
I don't know who.
Yeah, pushed.
Oh, pushed. Okay.
Yeah, to the toy box.
Well, she pushed it to the something.
Yeah, foot. It's related to putuk.
I know, but that hoon. What is hoon?
Oh, hun. That's two.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hun. That's two. That's another way of saying two. Right. Okay. And that's another one of those pairs that that we'll learn as well, that I'll do a lesson on. Right. Okay. Ashia ambaka scolia gorum.
Hanik a na Hinton. Hinton. Anju hook me a voxa schola.
A scola.
A scola. A voxa scola. Germa. Lamb. Yon school. Is docha gundo rag mi a fask andoris amui.
Very good. Okay, and I'm going to correct this. That should be just gorum.
Gorum. Okay, that threw me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It came to her.
Yeah.
And you today. I put the blue school bag.
Yeah, in school.
At school.
Yeah, I took it to school.
Took it to school.
I hope
it is.
Yeah, perhaps.
Oh, perhaps.
Gundogag me.
I didn't leave it.
I have a short memory. We just had that.
I didn't leave it.
Yeah, I left it.
Maybe I left it near
on the
door.
Outside.
Yeah. Door Samui. That's one of the ways to say like a front door.
Oh, not just any door outside, but the door that goes outside.
Yeah, the door that goes outside. That's right.
Okay.
There you
go.
Samui. Samui. Yeah. There you go.
Okay, so it could be inside. She's not saying I left it outside. She's saying I left it by the door that goes outside.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's the Doris Amui would be the phrase. Not fish. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Probably have to get that by context.
Not literally, I left it outside.
Amui fasciadoras. You see, so yeah, so the other way to phrase it would gagnie amui fasciadoras. I left it outside near the door.
Okay, that makes sense.
Andoras amui, the
Bas eran Doris Amui.
yeah, there you go. Right, okay. And
Is Kerch Maha. Vam Baga Skola, Ounce and Transa, Fasker Andoras, Vamari, a Hur, Air, a Crocodile.
a crocodile.
Crocodile.
And this would be better as Hur. Mari a era crocodile. Okay, all right. Okay, so what do you make of that?
I think she's saying here it is.
The
bag, the school bag was, I don't know what transa is, but
it's near something.
Near the door?
Yeah, near the door. Trounce would be like a hallway.
Oh, okay.
Trounce. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get into this. Near the door.
In the hallway near the door.
Very good. And a crocodile, that's something on which you croak things, that you hang something.
Oh, the thing right next to her.
Yeah, the thing right next to her, the crocodile. Very good. All right.
The coat rack.
Shuck, a bata jachik down.
Brown toy boat.
Yeah. Somebody?
Seamus thinks.
Smoniak.
Thinking.
Seamus.
Estonia.
Yeah, Sgeulachd.
She was sailing his brown toy boat in the pond.
In the pond, very good. Yeah, okay.
Darstun.
Okay.
Darstun.
Is
Saturday, maybe?
Thursday.
I think it's going on the days of the week, so I think the next one's going to be Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, how clever.
A certain logic, yeah. Okay. So here we go. Somebody here?
Bata Jejag Don on Uska on Amar.
Yeah.
Hook Seamus e
Gaki.
Oh.
Sehur e ans a boxa chicken.
Yay, chicken. Okay. And then what do you make of that?
So he took the toy boat.
Yeah,
on the lake.
Or yeah.
Water.
On the water of the pond. Amar is another way to say pond. It can also be or even a bath. Okay.
Duolingo, it's a bath.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Hook Seamus Egaki Lesh.
I know we already went over this. Gaki. Hook.
Egaki Lesh.
Yeah.
Seamus
took the
home with him.
Took it home with him.
And
they always put in his
toy box.
Put it in the toy box. Very good. Okay. Now I'm gonna. Right. Okay. A hook. An oichech. Yell. An oichech yell. A mask. Okay. Somebody?
Fahumi Alex famous Jihoning Vamiaru Sagar Lasan Agakuning Yale. Then Famous remembered Friday that he was running in the garden with a white scary mask or some kind of thing.
Yeah, very good. Okay.
Looks scary.
Yeah. Okay. And
A strong face.
so what do we have with this?
I noticed he didn't put it in the toy box.
Yeah. It would scare the rest of the toys.
Yeah.
My sister.
I don't know how to say the first part of the mask.
Ahi?
Well, yeah. A couple different ways to pronounce it. One is ahi.
Ahi.
Yeah. Another way is ai.
Oh.
Okay. Ahi, hech, gel.
Your.
On the grass.
Hook.
Look.
Seamus. Yaki. A. Gus. Ahur. Foliv.
He took it home and he put it away, but didn't say where.
Yeah. To put away. Gusakur. In order to put away. Okay.
Goose.
Okay.
Goose, not Gus, right?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Annoyed. Ambala to scale.
Scale. Oh.
Soccer ball.
I get it. Black and white.
It's a soccer ball.
Yeah. All right. What do we got?
Yeah, Seamus, just Vami, Abrepi, Avala, Dwi, is Gil, Ounce of Fark. Seamus thought Saturday I was kicking a ball. Black and white.
Yeah, black and white ball
in the park.
Yeah. And right here, this is we haven't studied this yet, but hui is gil, the adjective takes the genitive form here. Okay, so kicking at the kicking of the ball. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. All right, ounce of fark. Okay. Okay, what do we got now?
Hi, Seamus, Jan, Fark. Bam Baladu is Gyal, Fask Ageta, ounce of Fark. Frep, Seamus A, Re, and Rach, Hoon, and Tai Aka. Okay. Seamus went to the park. The ball, the black and white ball was near a gate. Is that a gate?
Yeah. Yeah.
In the park. Seamus kicked it down the street. I don't know if that's down the street, but
Yeah, Ray, along the street, down the street.
Towards his house?
Towards his house?
Yeah, towards his house, to his house. Yeah, very good. Okay, yeah. Ajech on tunic vuya.
Yellow duck, quack, quack.
Yellow duck. Yellow duck.
Yeah. Hugh
Mari. Cachavel and tunic vuya. Akam.
Very good. Okay.
Where is her yellow duck?
The next one.
Kumi aka en Ursin.
I can never read.
Rabbit. Vamia kuch anan amar asan taibik lesan tunik uig.
So what do you make of that?
Don't you remember that time or that's Sunday she was playing in the bath with the yellow and the little
In the bathroom?
Yeah, in the bathroom on some type deck.
I tub in the bathroom with the yellow duck.
And tunic vuya, with the yellow duck. Okay, very good.
How do we pronounce thought as the who?
Pronounce what? I'm sorry?
Oh, no. Okay, va. And then how do you pronounce Cumhne?
Is it Kuvni?
Oh, kunya.
I know it has a V in it.
Kunya. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. It has a V.
I don't remember how to say it.
Because MH is V, so yeah.
It doesn't have any of the letters that I'm expecting. Kunya.
See, so the MH is kind of silent. You know, you go from the CUI, kunya.
Yeah. Okay. Kunya.
Yeah. Sort of like the what do you call it in Spanish when you have that nya sound?
Oh yeah, tilde.
Enye.
Enye.
Yeah, something like that. Kunya. Okay, clever. Okay. So here we go. Somebody?
Mar kumyek.
Very good.
Eva on tunic buye re tau.
Retuve.
Tuve.
Retuve.
Amar.
Amar.
Kuri ans boxa.
Yay, chicken.
J chicken. I can't remember how to say the E.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you make of that?
And we just discussed this, so I totally forgot what that means.
She was thinking. She was remembering.
As she remembered.
And then she remembered that the yellow duck was in the bathtub.
Next to
the bathtub.
Okay. And
her favorite thing she does.
Put it in the toy box. She put it in the toy box.
Yeah. Okay.
That toy box must be big.
Yeah, big toy box.
Oh, 4.
Okay, so now Anish.
Anish ba ahula janchik. Ounds nahachikin carrot. Maher tolishja. Ars gleva han tai skiplikik Anish. Mari agus Seamus tolishja kuchik. At once. All the toys were in
the right place.
And the mother was happy.
Yeah, or their mother was happy.
Their mother was happy. I don't know this word. RC.
She said?
She said or something?
Yeah, she said, yeah.
That's another way of saying said?
Yeah, it's another, and you only see it in print. People never say it. Okay, RC.
Okay, so he says very well. The house is tidied up at once.
Now, Anish, now.
Oh, now. Not at once, huh? Mary and James were happy also.
Very good. Okay. This Càit Yanyapi. What does that mean?
They went to bed.
And they went to bed. Aikaba.
Good night.
All right. Leva, Huladuni. Leva. Okay. Leva. All right. Okay. All right, so let's go to our song. Cait fhailte gach neach. Okay, so this is a song that it's sort of similar to Sgeulachd Gaelic. It celebrates Gaelic, and the video I have is from a Hogmanay celebration of a couple years ago, and it's very lively. But let's go over the words first. So it goes, Cait fhailte gach neach.
Cait
Cait
fhailte
gach neach.
Ec Gaelic Gulor.
Eke Gaelic
Gach
Gulor.
100 welcomes to each Gaelic speaker. Sgeulachd
Sgeulachd
Avi and Drasta Nachor. Okay, so I'm happy now to be with you. Gles Cuin a Feep.
Gles Cuin a Feep.
That was Leonie and Touch.
Leonie and Touch.
Tune for us the pipes and fill the place. Like Hill is like Òran.
Like Hill is Òran.
Òran. Anach gave shin by.
Anach gave shin by.
And tonight it'll spark our affection, our comradeship, something like that. A treishik anish.
A treishik anish.
On a hoshik miol.
On a hoshik miol.
It's a little time since I began to drink. Etter pierstich innernish.
Innernish.
Vami trich ermagoy. Yeah, means right here. I think he's referring to, literally, I was happy, I was on my way, but but I was doing well enough because I was drinking, right? Something like that. Okay. Glasgow du neach bells bomor.
Glasgow bells boxa.
Glasgow, Edinburgh, bells is Balmoral. Okay.
Balmoral.
Lake Hills, Le Òran.
Like Cause the Oran.
Creek Ericor. I would put with music and songs, I would put an end to the rest of the night. Okay. Movenich don Gaelic.
Movenich no Gaelic.
Hermes me og. Okay. Blessings to Gaelic that I learned or got when I was young. So rain me Jashel. Ersan until vor. Okay, which made me ready, that prepared me for the great world, for the Gaelic and Skarag. Nagale, I'm sorry, Nagale and Skarag.
Okay.
Fàilte von Cheer. The gales that are dispersed, scattered, so far from the land, from the homeland. Movenich Gaivula. Would be found ergachri. Okay, my blessings for them all, that a tune is in each heart. Okay. Haraduich Holan.
A
goil j gach shore. Okay, our nation is so full of non-Gaels, the Gaul. There's Gael and Gaul. A Gaul is a person who very often speaks English. Okay. Narmesk Asanasich. In our midst in the wilderness, Volin and Rejoice. In our midst in the wilderness from the time of King George. Okay. All right. Nakoigrich Honianach. They can't robach crui. The strangers so strange with the language filthy and crude. Vergosa agalic.
There.
Give me the Gaelic. Càit son ar slúi. Language of our people. Son ar slúi. Okay. Okay. Ní scúir me an dan.
Discutir me on Jan.
Don show. I sorry. On Don's show. And now I will end this poem or song. Was fashifsa ski. Before you grow tired. Okay. Kuma kunya.
Kunya.
Okay. Okay. So Heather, this is for you. What does kunya mean?
Yes.
Remember?
Remember. Very good. Okay. Keep a memory, a karshin, a fast on san cheer.
Remember
the friends who are still in the land, still in the homeland. Gumbreen Shiva Gaelic.
Gumbreen Shiva Gaelic.
That you will speak Gaelic. O Fadavis Shiv Bio.
As
long as you are alive. Like Barstock is Òran.
Barstock is Òran.
Okay, Gleva. Okay. All right. So now we will take a look at the song or sing the song. And as usual, I've got the lyrics on the screen so we can sing along and read along. Now I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit. Okay, we'll still get the proper pronunciation, but it'll be at a anyway.
Can't hear it.
I don't think there's any sound.
Oh, thank you.
What?
I said I can't hear it.
Or wait till he starts singing. Sometimes the music doesn't. No. Okay. Sometimes the music doesn't come through, but the voice does.
Oh, okay.
So I'll pause it after you start singing, and then you can tell me. Okay. All right. Can you hear that?
Somewhat. It sounds like it's underwater.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna. Okay. I'm gonna try. Just give me a moment. I'm gonna try the. Just give me a moment. Let me. I don't know what. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I used it last Monday. It didn't work. Last night it worked.
Did you slow it down each time?
Yeah. Well, let me try it at a regular speed. That's an idea.
Yeah.
Hold on. Was that better?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We'll try that. Okay, so now you have to race to keep up. So anyway. Okay, all right. Okay, so we'll try this now. All right. Try this.
En de femte neach, en I drisken og goi. What was it on that bells is from over? And all this the guy was sick deal his home. In Fàilte come now, and then Gaelic go. That's all what's your need, and they laugh in our song. They say to me, I just lay out here now. And all this land, and the long is small down long again. Oh, it is me all. I wish it is I had fallen alone. Get it started. But I never need. Small down foot, I would. You both them. It's not dead. I didn't got it now. Just all the certainty that it has to fall. There's light in the hill. I just lay out here now. They call it stay on and the law has along. They're going for our shores. Now this comes from some leaning guitars. I grieve when on, and I travel through my lost the Gaelic, no high forest. And I just how to be the last and fall. They try to be and stay on in the. They know the smell and long and she comes. In a such a sweet. School of coin and the heart and half house down in jeans. The brain began. Half shivers beyond. Let box is all and she's down saying in my little I will not just how much you be the best can I will stay Lek on this leore, amach ishin.
All right, there we go. Okay, so that's.
I've seen other videos with him in it.
Oh yeah. He's a very popular performer, Gaelic performer, and I especially like the line "Càit ropach is crui," the dirty, filthy
language.
languages that spoken by those other people. All right. Okay. Okay. So, Lisa, I'm glad to see you. Yeah. Good to see you.
Yeah, sorry I was late. I had to reinstall Zoom. The Zoom link wasn't working, so
It's having problems for everybody. Zoom is not.
Yeah.
No.
So
It's
I
just like
had to
new AI and all this other stuff, and it's not good.
Oh,
yeah, so I had to totally reinstall it on my computer, and then it
Oh.
finally worked. So I apologize.
Oh,
I do have a question for you. I
Yeah.
went on to look for the last class YouTube, and I didn't see the link. I wasn't sure if you sent it out.
Okay, I
I
think I
missed the
did,
last
but,
class.
okay, yeah. Okay, so that's that'll be class number 14. Okay, so I'll resend that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll
thank
look
you.
for it also.
Okay, Gleba. Okay, so that was the class before the break. Because this is
Right.
class 15. So anyway, all right.
Right.
Well, Gleba, okay.
And thank you for sending those links. I did watch that the chef, whatever his name was, with his
Right.
the-
Yeah.
that was cute. The whole
Yeah.
family watched it. They liked it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So yeah, we'll continue to show them these clips. You'll indoctrinate them into Gaelic.
Yeah, everybody wanted to go out and start making their own little like Christmas ornaments, and
Yeah.
everybody got inspired. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's great. Okay. All right. We'll delay that. All right. Well, Tapaleva Hula Dunya. I'm so happy to see everybody back, and we'll continue next week. Okay.
Cheery.
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 Apple.
Aikava.
Aikava.